I'm going to show you how to turn a small savings account into a recurring $100,000 per year with a simple business. Why do I say simple? Well, because I spent so much time trying to do things like selling on Amazon, buying crypto, flipping NFTs, finding stock market trends, even digital marketing, and none of it worked out for me. Look, you absolutely can make great money doing all of those things, but do you know what those things all have in common? They're so confusing. In this video, I'm going to show you how anyone can turn a small savings account into a six-figure revenue machine. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right to it. The type of business I'm talking about is an office cleaning business. Now, before the thought of you mopping floors comes to mind, let me interrupt that pattern of thought with the enticing fact that as a cleaning business owner, you never have to do any cleaning. Not even once. And you can even run a cleaning business from a laptop once it's set up properly, which I'll explain in a second. But first, a quick story. My name is Mike Mack, and I've spent my 20s broke and drowning in debt because I was trying business after business, and I failed each and every time. Each time I failed, I went further and further into debt. I was so desperate trying to escape my miserable day job where they treated us pretty poorly. But after you fail as much as I did, it's hard to keep moving forward. If I'm being honest, I felt completely useless. While I was stuck at my 9-to-5, buried in debt, I was also behind on all of my bills. And all the while, my social media was filled with 18-year-old multimillionaires who seemed to be successful with all of these online businesses that I've tried and failed at, which for your self-esteem's sake, it isn't great. That's when it hit me, that just because I'm not great with tech, or because I don't enjoy spending hours researching products on what to sell, or trying to understand the stock market, or why some cartoon 8 pictures sell for $300 while others sell for $3 million, none of that meant that I couldn't be a successful business owner. All it meant is that I needed to start something simple. That's when a thought hit me, what could be more simple than a cleaning business? With a cleaning business, you don't need to know the stock market. You don't need to understand what makes customers buy products on Amazon. And you don't need to understand why in the world crypto goes up and down and up and down. Cleaning businesses are super simple. I even have it down to a science. Get a client and then staff each location with a cleaner. Then do that again about 4 more times, and then promote one of your cleaners into a managerial position to oversee the locations and other cleaners. And then do that whole operation 4 to 5 times, then promote that manager into an operations manager, and then that operations manager will oversee everything else that's happening. Hire an ops manager who will oversee that entire operation, all while you collect your owner's profit from home. It's that simple. And I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Now, the best way to turn your $1,000 into $100,000 recurring is by doing the following. Number 1, setting up your business. Get your EIN number. This is super simple. Just check out something like LegalZoom.com. They're a good resource. They'll walk you through the entire process, keeping it super easy for you. Number 2, now you need a brand, which sounds intimidating, right? Well, the good news is that it's not. Simply visit a website like Fiverr.com and get a super simple, inexpensive brand set up for you for a fraction of what it would normally cost. On this website, you'll get your logo, your website, your business cards, all of these things will be built, and then you are ready to hit your marketing. Step 3, create a list of local offices in your area. Start sending simple marketing materials about your company. This could be anything from emails to SEO to Facebook outreach to sales letters, postcards, whatever. It's all good. Step 4, once you get clients rolling in, you start recruiting cleaners to handle each and every location. Pay your cleaners well, treat them like gold because they are gold, and then repeat the entire process. If you follow this process the way I laid it out, you should hit your goal revenue within 3 to 4 months. It's really that simple, everyone. If you'd like a direct guide on how to get your cleaning business off the ground in 7 days with a little more detail, click this video right here. It's gonna show you how to do that.